Okay, here we are. Brownout. No electricity, no power, nothing. All day long. So what do? Well, not a whole lot, to be honest. But we are cooking dinner. Have to make rice on the stove. Because, well, I guess it's finished. Have to make rice on the stovetop because, well, we have no electricity. Whoop, we have no electricity to use the rice cooker. So, yeah, it's kind of like camping here. We're roughing it. So, Mom's got her cell phone light she's using, and then I recently bought a backup light for these situations right here. So, emergency light right here that I had charged up yesterday, kind of anticipating this to happen here soon, and of course it did, and I'm glad I got this light charged up because we'd be sitting in the dark, or at least with candles. This light works great. I only have one light on. Let me see if I turn the other one on. There we go. Really don't need it though. Anyways, light works great. It's called a Firefly. Firefly emergency light works excellent. You can get them at Lazada. I think DIY store in here in Alaminos is where we got ours. And we got some pork adobo going on. Can't really see it that well, but that's what we're eating for dinner. A little leftover pork adobo. Just easy stuff because we really don't have the ability to cook anything major. Not today. So, other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been a real drag of a day trying to get this get past this typhoon. We don't have any wind or any rain going on outside right now, so we're kind of wondering why the power is still out. It shouldn't be. They should have it. Yeah, other parts of Alaminos City is up and running and we're still down, so patiently waiting. I don't like to complain because we're looking at a lot of posts on Facebook, and other parts of the Philippines are just devastated with typhoon damage and floods and all that crap. So we're very fortunate where we're at to not have any major disasters going on around here. So yeah, we're pretty lucky. So not complaining, just a little inconvenience. That's about it. And anyways,
that's it. Yeah,
we're making do. The dog's doing fine. She doesn't like to be on camera. She shies away.
She would rather you.
But anyways, that's it. And we're going to sit down and eat, and hopefully we have power soon. So we will talk to you soon. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care of yourselves, and see you later. All right, bye-bye.